Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today, guys, we have a really cool tool we're going to look at. It's made by Jorgensen, which is a great brand for any type of woodworking project that you may have if you're looking for specialty tools. Now, this is called a Spokeshave. They're very, very cool. Been around for a long time, but very useful even today. And it's one of those tools that started a long time ago that it's just hard to replace because it's so versatile. Now, this Jorgensen one is extremely well made in the fact that it's all steel. It's not plastic. Handles are wood. This thing is actually heavy. When you're looking at it, you look at the size, you're thinking, it's little, it's cheap, it's not going to be that great. No, this is actually a really good tool. Now, where this shines is they call it a spoke for the reason that you're shaving something round. So say it's a table leg and you're having to replace a table leg that got broke or a table chair leg that is broken. You're trying to recreate that. You can grab this on both hands and shave. Now that works usually better if you have a vise or something that you're holding in so that you can work. If you're wanting to build something like a really cool custom walking stick, you go out and you pick a nice piece of cedar, oak, whatever it is, maple, whatever you're wanting to make your walking stick out of, you can actually shape it with this and clean it up. Get off all the old bark, round it, make it look really nice. Well, I don't happen to have a piece right now, but I do have a piece of cedar. And this, of course, is a square piece, but we're going to see how well this actually shaves. Now, I'm going to try to do this on screen without blocking it into anything. So the very first thing we're going to want to do is loosen the nuts to be able to move the cutting blade down so that it will actually be able to cut. And right about there, we're going to start with it just below surface. I don't know if you can see that, but it's just a little below there. We're going to lock it in nice and tight. And now we're going to try. Now, like I said, usually you would have this in a vise and you would lock it in and you'd use both hands, but we're just going to see how well it cuts. And you can see it takes quite a bit off already, just one-handed. So I can do an awful lot of shaping. And that's with the blade just barely out. So overall works really well, really sharp, and you can resharpen these little blades. You can also get replacement blades. This tool is something you can throw in your toolbox, and it's made to last for many years. So guys, if I was going to rate it on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd give it 5 stars because I think it's really well made. I think it's something that you'll buy once and not ever have to buy again. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. We'll see you guys on the next review.